So it's just like I can see just from the camera, there's little tiny dots underneath here, just in between the black. So what I'm gonna do is scrape off this top bit first, and then I'm gonna go around this area. But it might be just a weeping wound, it might be nothing. But we'll have a look, okay? So it shouldn't hurt too much, okay? Just grab your toe, amazing. Scrape this off. I just fixed a person's Wart. She's had it for like over 10 years. Today discharged her. She had three sessions. Wow. Yeah.